Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to recover your TikTok giraffes. Now let's go ahead and get started into the video. The first thing you want to do is to open up the TikTok app. From here, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. You then want to click on the three lines in the top right corner and click Settings and Privacy. Once you're at the settings page, you want to scroll down until you see Report a Problem underneath Support. Here, you want to scroll down and click on Videos and Sounds. It's going to pop something up and you want to click Other. From here, you want to click No, your problem is not resolved, and click Need More Help. From here, I've already typed it, but you can say, "Hi, one of my drafts has recently been deleted. Could you please help me recover the draft as soon as possible? I never meant to delete it," and make sure to say thank you at the end. And they should contact you within 24 hours. It could be longer, and they'll help you with your problem with getting your draft back. Hopefully it has not disappeared out of their database. And that's it. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.